Welcome back to our channel, and this is Miss A, your Classy Beauty Savvy, and as you can see, this is another beauty related post. I did this really cute, adorable makeup using new makeup products. So if you want to see how I did it, please stay tuned. If you are a returning subscriber, hello, welcome back. And if you are new to this channel, again, I am Miss A. Please stay for a while, subscribe, like. For you to get updated, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you so much, and let's jump right into the tutorial and product reviews. So first, itong mga nails. So you can see itong ating, ang tawag dito, press-on nails na nabili ko lang sa Shopee. I just wanna try it. Why not? 30 pesos lang ata to, or 35 pesos. Meron ka ng 24 pairs. Yung design na napili ko, medyo mahaba siya for my liking, pero ayun na nga, itry lang naman natin. Tapos hirap na akong itali yung buhok ko, so hindi ko na siya matali. Ayan, ito na siya. Tiis ganda. Nakikita niyo na. This is like the clouds na design. Ang cute! The other one naman is this one, like coffin. Coffin na design siya, na pag ganyan. And ito naman ang pinaka-cute sa lahat. Ayan. Marble siya na design na nude. I love it. If you don't know me yet, I love anything na marble. So that's why I bought this one. Meron na siyang pandikit. So you just need to put dun sa iyong clean nails, yung walang nail polish, and then yan na, ilalagay nyo na lang siya sa nails nyo. This one is a really nice alternative, and 30 plus lang siya. Now naman, punta na tayo sa makeup. Marami tayong itetest today kasi marami akong binili na I'll be using that then for my, what do you call this? For my tutorial, for my Halloween looks. First, of course, primer. I got this Sheglam primer from Shein. This is a Shein makeup line ng Shein. And this is the first time I'll be trying out makeup products from Shein. Ayan. So again, it's Sheglam. And then this is their birthday skin primer, Soothing Rose. Actually, since this October is my birthday month, this is a gift from my pag-ibig. So he bought me some Shein or Sheglam makeup na gagamitin natin today. So buksan na natin ito. Skin primer, Smoothing Rose. Get that baby soft flawless skin you were born with. Wow, thanks to the primer gel. I see, this is actually a primer gel.
Okay, this is the first step in your routine. So thin layer lang, it brightens and smoothens out imperfections, and you say bye-bye to your visible pores and hello to an even more complexion with Soothing Rose extract. Okay, this is a perfect base now that will make your makeup go on like a breeze, last longer, and look like a dream. Let's go and check it out.
Ayan. Sabi dito, you're born beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. It's so luxurious. Ayan, makikita siyang glass. Ang ganda! Dito yung mga details niya. Tapos, it's like glass talaga. O, ayan o, nakikita niyo yung reflection ko. It comes with a spatula. And let's try it. Ayan siya. This is the product itself. Cool. Let's put it at the back of my hand. Wow, it feels so soft. It feels so soft, tapos hindi naman siya greasy, tapos ayan, medyo na-absorb naman siya ng skin agad. It's nice. So, Sheglam na birthday skin primer. I like it. I love the packaging. You guys, alam niyo naman, sucker tayo ng mga magagandang packaging. It's really, really good. Tapos, ayan, madali siyang i-apply. May spatula pa siya. Marami. Ilan ba to? 30 grams. Far so good itong ating primer. Ito yung foundation ng Sheglam. And this one is their Complexion Pro Long-Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. And I got the shade Shell. Nasa 30 shades, if I'm not mistaken, 15 plus ata or what. I'll just show you a picture of their shades sa website. Ang dami, ang hirap pumili, sa totoo lang. Need to get a lighter shade. Para if ever it oxidizes on me, it will still look beautiful. It will still match my complexion. 30 ml din. 30 ml siya. And this one says,
It's a long-lasting, breathable matte foundation. Next level water and sweat-proof formula is free of fragrance and packed with non-pore clogging ingredients like CBD oil, while also remaining breathable and lightweight on the skin. Each face-loving shade delivers a semi-matte, filter-like finish for a look that's flawless yet natural. Sinasabi pa ako, diba? A flawless yet natural every time you apply it. Wear this long-wearing, buildable foundation to the gym or to a night out with the girls. It's a complexion-perfecting pro, no matter where the day or night takes you.
tingnan nyo naman. May velvet pa talaga siyang casing. Oh, this is the actual component. Wow. Oh, and it also has this gold cap. Tapos, glass to, guys. This is glass na frosted. Dito yung kanyang shade sa ilalim. And then, it comes with a pump. Sana lang talaga mag-match to sa skin tone ko, no? Pwede, pwede. Medyo may amoy siya na typical cosmetics. This is Shell. Okay lang. I hope it's not too light for me. 1/2. Half muna ng mukha natin. Try natin dito. This is half of my face covered with the Sheglam foundation. Makapal siya, guys. And kikitang-kita nyo na may foundation tayo, no? And ano to, medyo mapula siya. Ay, tawag doon? Maputi siya sa complexion ko. So, it's okay kasi pag nag-oxidize na to, dapat mag-blend na siya sa skin ko. Okay naman, maganda. May lagkit. Factor. Okay naman siya for me, pero hindi kasi ng mga ganitong foundation yung gusto ko. Pero okay naman, pang heavy duty siya. Like yung mga bonggang, let's say, ganapan. Yun yung blemishes natin, if you can see, diba? May mga blemishes pa ako dito. Dito may mga konti din akong blemishes sa area ko ng cheek area. Na-cover naman niya, which is good. Okay, let's continue. Ayan na siya. Medyo mabuti lang talaga siya sa skin tone ko. Pero after few minutes, I believe, magsiset na to. Tapos, sabi dun sa review is parang mag-iitim siya kasi mag-oxidize. So, let's wait for that moment. Medyo may kaputian pa rin siya sa mga panahon ngayon. And may lagkit factor siya nung una, pero ngayong nagsiset-set na siya sa skin ko, okay naman. Medyo nagda-dry na siya. And then, super thick nung formula niya. So, if you're really into that kind of formula na pang, not for everyday, parang special occasion siya actually, yung parang heavy na coverage, talagang medium to heavy coverage siya. Or even heavy coverage siya agad. So, mag-ingat, wag masyadong mag-layer kasi this kind of foundation can become cakey sa mukha mo if you will put too much product without proper blending. So, yon. But, it really does the job. Maganda siya. Pero pang ano ko to, hindi siya for everyday for me. Let's move on na sa next product natin. And this one is the Sheglam. Ang ganda ng packaging. Tingnan nyo naman. This is the Sheglam 24-hour full coverage concealer. Anong sabi dito sa concealer na to?
Has a soft and matte finish. Its 24-hour perfection provides you with a medium to full coverage that corrects all unwanted imperfections on all skin tones. Actually, ang dami nilang shade din ng kanilang concealer. It has, this formula is infused with portulaca. Oh my gosh, ang hirap naman ito basahin. And then, it's known, actually, Virginiana extracts, known as anti-inflammation and beneficial to allergic skin. It can be used as a contour kasi may mga dark shades silang ganito. It corrects, it highlights, and it hydrates and has multi-action skincare benefits. Wow, that's nice. Let's open. And this one actually has 3.8 grams.
Again, I got Madeline. Shade is Madeline kasi hindi ako nagko-concealer to correct. I conceal to highlight. Cool. Wow, para siyang color pop. Di ba, tignan niyo yung ano niya, packaging. Para siyang nagiging, what do you call that? Hologram. Ayun. Ayun no, kikita niyo ba? Pati itong mismong cap. And of course, Sheglam. And then dito si Madeline. Their doe foot applicator, talagang flat siyang paganyan. Ayun o. Cool. And then let's place it at the back of her hand. Nice. Okay naman siya, no? And then, it's creamy. So, let's try it dito sa ating eye area. Ayan. Hindi masyadong madami kasi baka heavy coverage ite. Pansin ko din, kapag dry yung skin mo and you use this foundation, medyo magpapachi-pachi siya or parang magbubuo-buo. So, it will be best kung mag-moisturize ka ng maayos bago ka mag-foundation ng heavy. Part ng nose ko. This part. The job. Thick din yung formula nito, so you really need more time to blend it. Like ganon. Para hindi din siya mamuo. Pero bongga. Okay din, oh. Okay. Heavy coverage talaga na trinay ko today. Like, especially itong foundation and itong concealer. So, if you're that type of person na gusto nyo yung talagang pack, ganon, heavy, then these products, you might like these products from Sheglam. Nag-contour na din tayo, and then I also just did my eyebrows. Punta na tayo ngayon sa eye look. Ito ang ating peg today. It's like orange makeup. Siya yung ating peg, pero iibahin natin to. Hindi tayo gagawa ng malaking cut dyan. Maliit lang. Parang pa-cute lang. A painting palette from Athena, Ucanbe. From Ucanbe. And ano face paint. Diba? Napakaganda, guys. Bumili ako ng face paint para sa aking Halloween looks. My favorite! Ta-da! James Charles palette! Hi, sisters! And we'll try this one. Sobrang tagal ko na tong gustong bilhin. Finally, nagkaroon na tayo. And I like this kasi very colorful nga naman talaga nito. So, lahat ng colors na mahahanap or we will be needing sa ating mga looks ay nandito, guys. So, wow! I feel like a painter. Diba? Ang saya. So, ayan ang ating mga gagamitin today. Let's start. My gosh, I'm so excited.